there is beginning there in the valley and came this part flat are part of the property, this part flat, and came to here and touch here. Okay, they are located next this street. This street, the name is Rua Beira Mar. You see, over there you have the natural pool with cool water. You see the little islands of Village Mosteiros. After you have the port for boats, and after in the same village you have a beach of Mosteiros. Okay, another time here and go there a little valley. When raining a lot is when the water of the raining comes, but you have a flat area. The vegetation you can see, you can cut. Over there is Pico de Mafra. On the top is Pico de Mafra. They are a little place with some houses. You see all this area here came the kind of vegetation I'm gonna ask to the owner, but I think it's acacia. Okay, the valley is this valley, and you have a place when run the water when raining a lot, but you have a area flat next. Okay, and go down after these bamboos with this vegetation, these trees, and go there. Okay, there is the village of Mosteiros, the little island of Mosteiros. Okay.